Hi, my name is Ippolito Imani Caradonna. I'm a research scientist and medical XR technologist in the biotech industry here in the heart of Silicon Valley. In our current pandemic, it's never been more important to accelerate research and development of scientific breakthroughs. Um, for example, our historic group of COVID-19 vaccines that were the fastest approved uh, group of vaccines ever in history. In this era, we need to train fast, build fast, fail fast, but our steps towards solutions need to be calculated with high attention to detail and low error rate. Listen, science is hard and errors are costly. On top of that, humans are imperfect. And in the fast-paced R&D lab, you need something that can eliminate those imperfections. Now, imagine if every movement, every process, every decision you made in a lab, imagine if it was recorded and guided by a spatially projected, shared interactive environment, or that was powered by augmented reality. What we call the augmented lab, or AugLab, is an AR software interface for laboratory users that help them navigate complex topography of laboratory technology and experimental design using a hands-free head-mounted display that displays cues, presents cues to you, audio and visual cues in earbuds and in your field of view. Now, the impact here is tremendous, but we still face the hardship of being able to bring this impact and make it clear to big investors and eventually to market. One of the major impacts, what I personally resonate with, is the ability to flatten the learning curve and to make laboratory usage accessible to people that might have a hard time with their vision. So people that have a handicap in their vision. For me, I suffered 2 spontaneous giant retinal tears, 1 in each eye. So each time that happened, my surgeries, going into the surgeries, it wasn't 100% that I would actually come out with my vision. At that time in my career, 10 plus years being behind the bench, I thought to myself, am I going to be able to continue in this field if I cannot see? And so what AugLab really, really empowers is the ability to get those cues that might be difficult for someone that is hard of vision. That's the impact that we want to be able to bring to the forefront. How the IF program, this foundation, can help, there's so many ways. It's tremendous when you think about like really getting into the hands of users. I think that IF can really solidify the vision, and not only with organizing all of the research and all of the documentation and what we've done, that's documents after documents, not only helping to organize that, but really chiseling it down and making it presentable for big time investors. Not to mention actually the funding that can get our first, that could hire our first technologists to build our base MVP. That would be exciting because then we can actually go into investor meetings with something that they can use, something that they can get their hands on, not just a vision. And I want to lastly speak to my relationship with Diane Tucker. Once a mentor, now a really, really close friend and mentor. Diane Tucker and I met during my participation in the Black Technology Mentorship Program. I've never seen such impactful leadership when it comes to the vision that she had for me specifically in the program. And I think it takes a certain type of leader to see your skill set and know where to place you. So for me in the Black Technology Mentorship Program, I was very new to entrepreneurship. I didn't know what the steps were. You know, it was just a vision in my head, in my heart. And so being in the Black Technology Mentorship Program, she put me in those programs to help me understand entrepreneurship, what it takes to actually build a vision. But she also saw the skill set that I had in biotechnology, molecular biology, automation. And so what she was able to do is put me in not only as a mentee, but a mentor for the people that were actually curious about the technology that I was skilled at. So having, being able to delegate that, being able to have that vision for me and Black Technology Mentorship Program really speaks to Diane's ability to lead the IF program, to really take the helm and to steer the ship in the right direction. That kind of effort and that kind of initiative it speaks loudly to what we're doing, is taking the vision, taking all of these grandiose thoughts and giving them a voice and giving them actual substance that can, like we were talking about, get to the large investors and then eventually to the marketplace where we can see the true benefit of our program in the hands of people that have accessibility issues, and that we can actually develop the next great scientific breakthrough using our technology. And so I thank you so much from the bottom of our hearts.